Alrighty, welcome back, Mendes Scholars. Welcome to Wednesday, August 18th. So for today, we had quite a bit to do. Today we went ahead and did an All About Me page. We continued with our do now for our All About Me instead of 1 through 5. Today we did 5 through 10. Today we went over binder checks, some more Mendes expectations, so the email etiquette, and then we went over some scholarly attributes. We didn't quite get to this, but we will get to this for Thursday. Our exit ticket, we were supposed to do the Mendes 3 R's, but just due to kind of our timing, I had you guys go ahead and show me your agendas today. Agendas did come in for first period, so first period, we haven't quite touched on much of this because we were focusing on your agendas. We will be touching on it on Thursday. All right, so do nows. You're All About Me, you did questions 5 through 10. Some of you were starting to decorate today. You will finish up and wrap up tomorrow. I want them nice and beautiful tomorrow. We went over email etiquette. What's a proper way to send an email etiquette? Remember, that goes back to our scholar expectation. I believe number 4 or 5. Make a request, not a demand. Okay. And then we haven't touched on scholarly reflection. We will be touching on it on Thursday. We didn't touch the Mendes 3 R's. We've got to get there, folks. I had you guys show me your agendas, but we will be getting there soon. All right. Today wasn't too much. It was just more policy and just kind of how to work your agendas. All right, folks. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll let you guys know. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow in class.